So today, what I'm going to do is actually make a shelf for my coffee table. I'm going to square everything up, and then I'm going to pull measurements and try and figure out where I need to place this shelf. It's going to hold a carving later on, so I want it to look really nice. Maybe give it a little live edge appeal too. So, see how it goes. Okay, so the table is squared up, and now I'm going to look at the shelf piece and make sure that it matches the aesthetic of the existing end table that I made for Mike in the past. Once we get that look down, we're good to go. So some people might look at this grain pattern and the things like this character that's in it here and here as something that should be cut out. What I'm going to do is actually take my measurement so that I'm going to take this chunk right here so I can get this action of the grain and this live edge look to it. Now that I cut my 45 on the chop saw, I gotta figure out how to make this. So I'm gonna basically take my square again, do a 45 here, and then do the same thing in this corner. That. And that is going to be our bevel going down. So I made the shelf and support brackets to match the end table that Mike already has. The shelf has been cut and fit, and we're looking pretty good. Woodworking purists are probably going to hate me, but these shelf brackets are actually going to be attached using screws that are doweled in place. Sorry.